How to trim the sound on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to trim the sound on TikTok. So let's begin. The very first step that I would suggest is to make sure first that your TikTok app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your TikTok app. Once you have done that, simply open the TikTok app and then press on the plus button found on the bottom mid of the screen. So once you're here, make sure first to choose the time that you want. So you may choose either 15 seconds, 60 seconds, and 3 minutes. So for other users, they may also choose 10 minutes if they have that option. But for me, I only have the 3 minutes as the maximum. So once you have chosen your time, let's just choose 60 seconds for example. Click on the add sound right here, found on the uppermost part of the screen. Once you're here, simply search for the song that you want, or you may also choose right here. So whenever you click a song like this one, I'll click this one, you may be able to see the scissor button right here. So you just simply click on the scissor button and then slide on the timeline right here. So you slide to the right or left, whichever one to you, or and then go to that section of the song that you want to be added on your video. For example, I will choose this one. Simply click on done once you are done, and then as you can see, this song has been added right here, and then your favorite part will be played. So that's it. That's how you can trim the sound on TikTok. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.